YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy camera not connecting to the server. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Birdfy camera is not connected to the server, so guys, you just follow this video. So guys, first thing is guys, you hard reboot the camera. So guys, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and guys, use an ejector pin or the paper clip to press and locate next to the power button. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Okay, then guys, verify your Wi-Fi frequency. So guys, Birdfy cameras strictly require 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. They cannot connect to the 5 GHz network. Okay, so ensure your smartphone is always on the 2.4 GHz band before attempting to pair. After that guys, move the camera closer to the router. So guys, bring the camera within the 30 feet 10 meter of your router and ensure there are no more than 1 or 2 walls blocking the signals. So guys, thick wall, metal house or the metal feeder and microwaves ovens can cause the serve signal interface. Okay, then guys, repair the device. If the camera is powered on but failed to reach to the network, so you double press the power button to enter the pairing mode. Should start flashing and you will hear a chime sound. And guys, open the Birdfy app, then plus icon and select your Birdfy device. Then hold your phone screen 5 to 15 cm in the front of the camera lens to scan the generate QR code. So this is the way that you can done, and guys, thank you.